Public facilities, it is one of the most important topic. Indian government has provided public facilities to its citizen. Why? Some people are facing a lot of problems regarding public facilities. Our Indian Constitution has identified water as a fundamental right. It includes right to life. A right to life. It means every citizen of India has a right to life with dignity. Water, education and health. These three factors have been included under Article 21. Article 21 states that right to life. Those citizens, those peoples who are poor have equal right. Whatever right has been given to the rich people. If rich people are being given free cost of medical facilities, same will be given to those people who are poor. Whatever free cost of education are being given rich people under Article 21A, same will be given to those people who are poor. It means our Indian Constitution has not discriminated its citizen on the basis of their economic status, social status, political status, religion, caste, gender, or place of birth. It means discrimination can be avoided here. Discrimination will not lead them to make progress in their life. Our Indian Constitution has abolished untouchability, discrimination, inequality, inhuman treatment, brutal punishment, wild treatment. So, these negative factors will not determine the progress of the people who are residing within India. Water is playing very important role in the life of the people. People require water each and every day. Without water, they won't be proceed their life. We know very well. People are wasting water in excessive amount without knowing its future impact on human life. If they are using water in excessive amount, what will happen in the future? They won't be able to acquire sufficient water for their livelihood. Water is very important. It comes under a right to life. Then education, we know very well. Education is also one of the important public facility. Our Indian Constitution has given right to education to each and every citizen of India. Those children who age between 6 to 14 have given free cost of education at the government school, irrespective of their gender, caste, category, or place of birth. Those who are ST, those who are SC, and those who are OBC are freely get education at government schools and colleges. Colleges is the higher education. So, this limitation has been made to the age between 6 to 14. 6 to 14, it is the age criteria for those children who come under this category. It is the right to education. The prime purpose and intention of the government is to give quality education through government schools. People are not ready to send their children at school due to money. They do not have money. So government has decided to give them free cost of education. Then medical facilities, health. Health standard should be promoted, should be developed. Our Indian government has started government hospital in each cities, in each taluka, in each district, because poor people are not be able to acquire medical services in the private hospital, because private hospitals are imposing high cost fees. Poor people will not afford to get health treatment there. This is the one of the serious issue government knew, so government started government hospital. Poor people will not require to pay medical fees there. This hospital is also playing crucial and pivotal role in their life. This is one of the significant platform for those people who are not getting medical treatment. They do not have money. Their poverty will retard their progress. Indian government has made them successful in their life. Public facilities are very important. People wants public facilities. Why? Because they are very excited to get that, but actually they are not getting. If poor people wants to buy water, what will they do? If shopkeeper or any owner or any water seller is imposing high amount of money, poor people won't be able to buy water due to not having money. Not having money is the most detrimental factor which will not let them to get water from the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper always increase the price of the water to earn profit from the water, but poor people won't be able to access that water. Suppose A is a shopkeeper and B is also shopkeeper. A is increasing the price of the water and B is not increasing the price of the water. So from where poor people are able to buy water? Obviously from B. From B, poor people will be able to buy water because A shopkeeper is increasing price. So how can we expect from the poor people to buy water for their life? So A shopkeeper has to be punished by the government. Any poor people can complain to the police station against the unexpected behavior of a shopkeeper. Such shopkeeper should not be allowed to start his business in the market. They are increasing the price of the water, even though water is the fundamental right. It has been included under Article 21, right to life. Our Indian government should provide free water to poor people because water is very important. It is one of the life. People can live without food up to 1 month, but without water they won't be able to survive up to 1 day. Why? Water is crucial for their life. We know very well bus facilities. Bus facilities is also public facility. So any people can enjoy bus facilities irrespective of their gender, caste, religion or place of birth. Electricity, if there is electricity in the rural area, they may be able to start their business in the rural areas. farmer from the rural areas are able to irrigate their land properly. They may be able to start their business with the help of agriculture. They may be able to produce more crops from less land due to only water. In school, children are able to drink fresh water. So it is the rudimentary duty of the Indian government to provide water, electricity, education, health facilities to each and every public, whether they are in the cities or in rural area. They won't be able to face any kind of serious problems in their life. Colleges and schools must be started in rural areas so poor people, children are able to access education nearby their places. Water. Water is one of the important factor. So in Chennai, people are facing a lot of problems. Why? Because they didn't have any water. They were facing a lot of problems. Even though government knew the situation of the peoples who were residing in the Chennai, what happened? Government didn't do for them. Peoples were facing many problems. Those peoples who had money were able to buy water. Those peoples who were not rich were not be able to buy water because water seller were increasing price of the water, so poor people couldn't buy that water. After that, people faced a lot of problems in their life. Concluding all this information, we know very well water should be provided to each people. It is very urgent need of the people. People will not face any problem if government will take action instantly. Public facilities is very important, and I told you already, it is possible only when people will aware about their rights. If people come to know that public facilities will mold their bright future, they may be able to start protest campaign. They will tell people who don't know about importance of public facilities. Public facilities nowadays are crucial in 2025. In summer season, we always face a lot of problems regarding water. Farmers are not be able to irrigate their land due to not having sufficient water. Water can increase the income of the farmer. Those farmers who are poor and do not have any tube wells in their farms are able to acquire free cost of water from the government. So, government must provide water to rural areas because India is an agricultural country and most of the people depends on agriculture. Nearly 75% people depend on agriculture. So why should we ignore public facilities? Even though it will even though it will determine our future, we should not underestimate and undermine and neglect the importance of public facilities. So these are the information regarding public facilities. So everyone must understand public facilities. Government are doing its jobs. So it is our turn right now to understand the importance of public facilities. Thank you so much.